Hi, welcome back to Conversations on Couch, and I'm really glad that you made it to this episode. And you can share your comments, suggestions, or anything like that in the comment section below, and I'll be really happy to see that and improve in any way that I can. And today we are going to talk about K-pop. Was K-pop just a phase? Let's see. Okay, so one thing about me that if you don't know, that I listen to a lot of different musics and K-pop is one of them. And I got into like K-pop during I think before the pandemic, almost like similar line mein. And I got into K-pop because of BTS. Yes, if you don't know BTS, they are like the one of the biggest boy band groups, and they are like really cool. Like yeah, the music is great, the choreography is great. They have like really meaningful songs as well, so it is fun. So I started like with just okay, so I always watched K dramas like bachpan se. I was like really into soft love, and it was like really cool to watch because they would like maybe they will wait 10 episodes to just hold hands and they will confess their feelings in the most cheesiest way possible, and I just love it. I still love it like so much. So this is one thing that really stuck with me. But with time I started listening to like Korean songs as well, and I used to enjoy them. Like I would I remember I would translate the meanings, like कि क्या मतलब है इसका, and I will read through them and I will learn the songs. It was really cool. And I remember like when I like just got into K-pop, so I used to have these big banners मेरे room में, and I used to have everything BTS. Like I had this mug, मेरा phone cover, like wallpaper तो चलो अभी भी है, but like everything was very BTS coded. ऐसा होता है ना एक बच्चे को जैसे जब कुछ नई चीज दिला दो तो they are just like mad over that. So I think I was that. I feel it has toned down a little over the years, but I still love them deeply. It's not that I'm not fond of them. Like it just I just don't buy anything I see that says BTS or that have their picture because I know better. So yeah, that is one thing. And I feel the whole K-pop industry is a little complicated because they are like different bands, there are different people, and of course people have fans. So there's like always this rivalry going around. But if like I am really into BTS, so if I talk about their fandom, like what I have experienced is beautiful. Matlab, they are just there, like they are just there to support you, because I remember I met some of amazing people through BTS. So I used to have this small business on Instagram. It was all for BTS stickers वगैरह. I used to design them, and I came across more small businesses with a similar niche. And ऐसे हम तीन चार लोग we became friends. We used to talk. We used to support each other. ऐसे we used to buy each other stuff. We are still in touch, by the way. And I was the youngest there. Like few of them are doctors. They're like some of them are into fashion, and like how creative. Can you imagine? So that was something like amazing experience. I would say I still am in touch with them. Like कुछ भी होता है ना तो we just ask each other ऐसे advice वगैरह. So it was very beautiful to imagine the whole experience. I have not yet experienced their concerts yet because 2 साल से तो like everything is very on off ही because they're in the military, and before that ऐसे pandemic and वगैरह वगैरह, and जहाँ पे भी concerts होते थे तो I I didn't have the money to go. I still don't have, but I'm saving up, so let's see. And so friend talking about friends and the fandom. So the fandom I feel is very wholesome, and like I mentioned that I used to have a small business, so I met one of my literally closest friends through BTS, and I think I'm just gonna be really grateful to them about that. So her name is Prachi, and she was my customer. She used to buy a lot of stuff, and we got to talking. We used to share things, and s- it was just I think meant to be because I remember usually like what are the chances that you're friends with someone online and they live ऐसे पास में, like we didn't live पास में, but it was not that दूर as well, like गुड़गांव और ऐसे दिल्ली वाला system था. So we met, we hang out, and it was beautiful. Like I feel this is one of the strongest friendships that I have. And yes, she is currently in Australia. She's doing her masters, and I met her few months back when she was here for the semester break, and I'm really excited to meet her soon again in the next semester break. And I just, yeah, it's beautiful. I think my interest has also evolved through other years. Like I'm not that crazy fan who would just be like waiting for the maybe a live or comments, or who will just keep on check कि जो भी ऐसे updates वगैरह वाले accounts होते हैं. So I don't do that abhi, but I'm still like there. I know that they are in my life, and I know that I am there supporting. So I think that has grown because I feel that is also more on the me being mature, me growing up part, because I was like just out of school that time. Yeah, not out of school, I was in school only. So I think these things make a lot of difference. And I feel that K-pop, okay, so for me K-pop was not just a phase. It was a phase in the sense that maybe I used to collect a lot of things, but I don't do it now. Maybe that way you can say it was a phase, but in general I still listen to their music. I love them deeply. I have this comfort that they provide me, and I'm just happy to have them. And I think it has also helped me to look. Okay. So another thing about me, that I am a very experimenty person. Like I would want to experience different things, like maybe different cultures or learn like languages for fun. Like I do that. So it just clicked with me because I used to listen to their songs. I used to translate. So I started learning Korean language. So it was really fun for me. So I think it broadens your perspective. Like for me it was there, but if you're someone who's like new to new languages, so it might open up your perspective towards cultures, because everyone's culture is very different, and once you start learning the language, you also learn their culture, like their eating habits, how they live, जो भी सब चीजें होती हैं, like in their, like in Korea, so you bow out of respect. So I think this is one thing. And I'm a foodie and I love Korean food. Like अभी तक मैंने दिल्ली में जहाँ पे भी try करा है, there are few places who have like, oh my god, I'm craving it. They have the best Korean food. So one of them would be Kori's. It is in Safdarjung and GK. They o- okay, so they have vegetarian options as well, because I'm a vegetarian, and Korean food mein mostly there is non-veg, but they have a huge variety of vegetarian dishes, which is amazing. And everything is a 11 on 10. मतलब I'm not kidding, and I am not just saying it, I mean it, क्योंकि I have friends जिन्होंने कभी भी try नहीं करा. तो if अगर ऐसा होता भी है कि I'm liking the food because maybe I like Korean people, तो इस वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है, but it is not like that because all of my friends have also liked the food, so it means it's genuinely nice. And another would be Dalgrak. It is in Korean embassy only, Lajpat में है, and they also have like really yummy food. Like अभी तक का मैंने जितनी भी ड्रिंक्स वगैरह भी ट्राई करी हैं, जितना भी सब कुछ ट्राई करा है, इट्स गुड. एक और, okay, so bubble tea is not, I don't think it's Korean, it's I think Taiwan से. But if you want ऐसे maybe इस चीज में, तो there's this cafe called Gotti, and they have some amazing bubble teas. I'm a more water based person, but they have as a milk collection more. But जितने भी water based हैं, they are like really cool. They are also in Safdarjung, they are also in GK. No, they are not. हाँ, they are in GK. They are also in Gurgaon, and अभी उन्होंने recently Punjabi Bagan में खोला है. So if you want or maybe have more recommendations, so you can tell me. I think I've been like really off topic today. So I was saying, yeah, I think K-pop also, like K-pop or in general any other languages song that you listen to, they also open up your perspective towards the different cultures. So it helps in essay globally, as you know, what's going around, like what's happening in other areas. So I think that is good. I feel K-pop has also helped me in many ways. Like I've practically grown up with them, and they have shaped me into this. I feel a beautiful human being because I think very. I don't want to brag, but I think very good, and I think I want to give some of the credit to them because I've seen them, like how they work, how they multitask, or maybe how they take decisions, and it just really inspires me. And like sometimes they would just say something that would just stuck with me, and I'm like कि, oh my god, ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. So I think it also opens up your perspective. One example I would want to give is, so there's this episode in BTS in the Soup, I think, second season ka, if I'm not wrong. So all of them, like they're okay. So BTS is a seven members group, right? So they are on the table. They are having as a BBQ, and they're just making food and having it. So one of the members is trying to flip the pancake, and the person, like that member, is afraid that he will maybe fling it as in gira dega. So second member says ki what if he flings it, like what if he drops it. So the eldest member of the group says ki if he flings it, he flings it. To think about that, like it is so basic. If we think ki like हाँ तो क्या होगा, गिर गया तो गिर गया, but like nobody ऐसे emphasize on these small things, I think, and it just stuck with me sometimes. So I really like ऐसे ये छोटी मोटी बातें about them. Yeah. And like I mentioned that I have like really good friends because of the whole community, so I think it also helps in building communities. Because just I have friends from this particular group, like we all like them, we all talk about them, we talk about different things, so it is a community that we are forming, right? So I think it also helps in building communities because all of us are from different regions. Like some of, like India mein hi, like there are people from Hyderabad, there are people from Delhi, which is me, there are people from more south area like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. So I think that is really cool. And I also feel a sense of belonging, like even if we don't talk every day, but I know that there are people, if I don't show up on, like, if I don't show up on social media for quite some time, they would worry about me. They would check up on me, ki how's everything, is everything okay? And even one of them got married earlier this year, and she sent me this card, and it's just really beautiful to experience something like that. It was like my first wedding card, I would say. Like to receive something to that is addressed to Shruti, not my family. Like, that you are invited. So I was invited. So that was also very cool. And I think it like K-pop and BTS in general, they also helps you in a sense of you're more welcoming. You get it? You don't, it's okay. I think you become more like, I'm not asking you to like them or something, it's just I'm sharing my experience and what I feel in general about things or maybe related to them. So I think it has made me more welcoming as a person, that I'm a very, okay, it's okay, let's see, we'll see, let's talk about, like let's talk to them, let's see how others want to do this thing or maybe how they have planned things. So I think that is also really cool. And yes, I think because we have just like grown together, I am this way because they played like a major role in that. And that is fun, that is really fun to think about. I cannot imagine my life without them because I cannot think कि मैं कैसा person होंगी if I was not introduced to them on the right time. And I also feel that uh, like it might sound very cliche or clingy cliche, that it might sound very cliche and cringy, but I feel there's just a certain time for everything, and you just meet them in the on the right time. Yeah, I think बहुत ज़्यादा philosophical हो गया, but it's okay. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this, but I really like just being there. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like I have this sense of belonging with me. I have people, I have things, so it just feels very wholesome. And I've seen similar experiences with the Swifties, like the Taylor Swift fans. I also love Taylor, but I've seen the concerts, like people would have bracelets for each other. They, like, the girls will do your glitters thing. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, this is also building community only, na? So I think I really love music, and I especially love music for this part of how it just brings people together from different parts of the world, different backgrounds, and in that moment it just doesn't matter because you are there for this one particular group or person, and you're just there happy singing together, and nothing matters in the world. So yeah, I'm really excited to experience that. Let's see when, but yes. So let me know if you also like any popular artist, or maybe you like anyone, or you have similar feelings for someone like that, or maybe how they just connect with you and you feel like you just belong there. So I would be really interested in knowing that, so you can share your stories with me on my Instagram handle, that is conversations on couch, or you can maybe comment your stories down below and we'll engage. And yes, I really hope that you like this episode. And if you did, you know that well, you can like, share, subscribe, comment, share your suggestions or anything like that. And it was really fun for me to talk about them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.